Octagon, eight-sided shape. An octagon has 8 sides. An octagon can be a regular octagon with all equal length sides and all equal interior angles, or an irregular octagon with all different length sides. An octagon can be either convex with all vertices pointing out from the center, or concave with some sides pointing in toward the center of the shape. The classic example of an octagon is the American stop sign, which is a regular octagon. Note that shape names ending in gon are two-dimensional shapes, when shape names ending in hedron are three-dimensional shapes. Example, dodecagon versus a dodecahedron, a 12-sided two-dimensional shape versus a 12-sided three-dimensional shape. A pentagon has 5 sides, a hexagon has 6 sides, a heptagon has 7 sides, a decagon has 10 sides, a dodecagon has 12 sides. An octagon has 8 sides. Related words: pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, decagon, dodecagon.